Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. This video is dedicated for those of you who sits long hours working at the desk. Let's take a 10-minute break to stretch and say bye to shoulders and lower back pain. Let's get started. First, let's close your eyes and place your hands on the side of the lower rib cage for some deep breaths. Take it slow and feel the expansion of a diaphragm pushing the hands away from each other. Next, slide the chair slightly behind and fold forward. Hold on to the ankles and let the forehead touch the knees. Keep breathing. You will slowly feel the tension from lower back starting to release. Good stretch. Cross your left leg on top of the right knee. Keep the back flat and fold forward from your hip. Place the foreheads on the desk for support. To the other side. This stretch can really release tension from your outer corner seat, which can further relax the tightness from your lower back since those muscles are all connected. Our shoulders are usually rotated forward and hold up tight when we spend long time typing on the keyboard. It's important that we stretch out the shoulder from time to time to avoid tension buildup. Now slide your chair away from a desk so that you can extend your arms out straight. Keep your back flat and let the head fall in between the two arms and press the chest down. Cross the left palm on top of the right to deepen the stretch on the left shoulder. Keep both elbows straight and the head down. Uncross the arms, then put the right palm on top of the left. Keep breathing. Hamstring stretch. Extend your left leg out and keep the right one bent. Keep the back flat and fold forward from the hip. Extend the arms out straight. You will feel a good stretch at the back of the leg as well as a bit of a lower back tension release. Side, extend your right leg out and keep the left one bent. Flexor stretch. Take your right sit bone at the corner of the chair. Place one hand on the desk and the other on the chair for support. Then extend the left leg behind you. Keep the toes tucked in and hold the body upright. Lengthen the spine and keep breathing. Now take your stretch to the other side. Shoulder blade stretch. Cross the left elbow on top of the right one and spiral the hands with the palms close together. If you can't cross the palms all the way, it's okay. You can leave the palms sticking together back to back. Keep your chest lifted. Uncross the arms and place the right elbow on top of the left. Standing calf stretch. Take the left leg and extend behind. Keep the hands on the edge of the desk for support and shift your weight forward. Try to press down your heel as much as possible. Let's switch to the other side. Forearm stretch. Grab the edge of the desk. Lean your weight slightly forward and press down your wrist. Keep your elbows straight. This stretch can instantly relieve the tight forearm muscle from long use of the mouse. Finally, let's run the stretch all along the back with the spinal extension. Place the hands on the desk for support and extend the arms out straight. Initiate the curve from your upper back, then slowly shift your weight forward on the hand. Lengthen the spine and open the chest. Then fold forward from the hip and reset for another cycle of the spinal wave. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Aura Dance YouTube channel. See you all soon!